Hi, I'm Carol Lemley, a customer care specialist here at imageOne, and today I'm going to talk to you about how we respond insanely fast. Part of our core values here at imageOne is extraordinary execution, which encompasses responding insanely fast. We want you to feel when you call and email that we've been waiting on you all day. Part of how we do that is we have one customer care specialist whose sole responsibility is monitoring our customer care inbox, which you email into. She goes through every email and responds with some type of resolution. And for those days that we have a higher volume, the rest of the customer care team jumps in and helps her out with that inbox. The other portion of that is when you call us. Every customer care specialist is waiting by the phone for your phone call. When you call us, you can expect to get somebody on the other end of the line asking you what they can help you with. We empathize, we actively listen, and we go above and beyond to provide you any questions and answers that you might have, even if it wasn't why you initially called in. Why do we do this? Because we love you. We want you to feel like you're a part of our family because here at imageOne, you really are.